Hello friends, welcome back to my channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you FortiGate license expired issue. We will solve in this video today. So try to log into the FortiNet firewall. We must log in with admin credentials. So open the FortiNet. By default there is no password for the FortiNet firewall. It is available without password. So just enter the username admin and continue without password. Enter admin, enter, and password without password. Now you have to enter the new password. So it is asking new password directly. So enter new password and confirm new password. Now we need to check the IP address of the firewall. So diagnose IP address list, enter. You can see the IP address 192.168.234.130. Diagnose IP address list to see the IP address of the Fortinet firewall from EVNG. Now open 192.168.234.130, enter. Now log in with the admin credentials what we set in the putty for the firewall and click enter. No thanks. You can see here full license. It is asking for a license. We don't have any full license. If you have license you can upload the file, but now we will go to evaluation license. So click on evaluation license. Here just type the email ID what we registered in the FortiCloud account. If you don't have the FortiCloud account, you must register the FortiCloud account from the FortiCloud website. Then you can enter the email ID here. So it will evaluate your email ID. Then it will assign the license for temporary usage, and it will work in one CPU, one license for 15 days only. You click OK, and wait. You have to wait until the system reboot. Once the reboot is finished, we can log into the firewall, type admin, password, and enter. Still we have issue, we cannot log in. Why? You can see here license invalid due to exceeding allowed 1 CPU and 2 GB RAM. My Fortinet firewall has 3 GB RAM, so I will remove to 2 GB. I will add 2 GB only. By default it will be 1 GB, so I added 3 GB to boot fast. So I will add again to the 2 GB only. I will not exceed more than that. Try once to log into the Fortinet again. Type admin and the password. Now try to log in from the GUI 192.168.234.130. Enter. Now try to log in. We will see what is the status. Now you can see the FortiGate is login without any license issue. So just click begin and click later. I don't want to migrate anything, so just click later. You can see here it is asking unable to enable automatic patch upgrades, so I don't want to enable anything, so disable automatic patch upgrades and save and continue. Click OK and OK. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.